Uh, in my dad's workplace, and it's called.
I forgot the name.
Yeah, I'm in Lam Research, and it's today Bring Your Kids to Work Day. It's a company where people make and study wafers and chips.
Chips like in phones, computers, tablets, all of like those electronic devices.
My mom works here.
You know what she does?
I forgot.
My dad works here.
Do you know what he does?
He's an engineer, that's how I know. He like works, and sometimes like the computer asks some questions and he answers them.